That was awesome.
Dr. Seuss's ABC Beginner Books, 1963. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Do camels walk on the ceiling? That's so silly. Big D, little d, David Donald do, dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. Quack, quack, ruff, ruff, duck dog. A, B, C, D, E, ear, egg, elephant, E. Big elf, little elf, F, four fluffy feathers on a fifer, pfeffer, pfeff. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, go girl, goo goo goggles, oh silly go. Big I, little I, Ichabod is itchy, so am I. He's scratching his ears, he's scratching his ribs, oh so itchy. Big J, little J, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam began that way. Big K, little K, kitten kangaroo, kick a kettle kite, and a king's kerchoo. Big L, little Lola Lop, left leg, lazy lion, licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight, mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful. You use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Painting pink pajamas, policeman in a pail, Peter Pepper's puppy, and now Papa's in the pail. Big Q, little q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Big R, little r, Rosie Robin Ross. Rosie's going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little s, silly Sammy Slick, sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T, what begins with T? T and tired turtles on a tuttle tree. Big U, little u, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little v, Vera Violet Finn is very awful on her violin. They're covering their ears. Oh, the sound must be so horrible. W, Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Waldo Woo. X is very useful if your name is Nixie Knox. It also comes in handy spelling axe and extra fox. Big Y, little y, a yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Jorgensen is yelling on his back. Yaw! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z. Little C, what begins with Z? I do. I am Zizzer-Zazzer-Zuzz, as you can plainly see.